The Security Service of Ukraine, SBU, has conducted a successful multi-tiered operation in temporarily occupied Crimea, striking 3 Russian military vessels, critical radar systems, and vital enemy logistics, according to an official statement released on April 18. Operators from the SBU's Elite Alpha Special Operations Center orchestrated the complex strike. During the assault, Ukrainian forces successfully hit the following Russian Navy targets: the large landing ship Yamal, the large landing ship Azov, an unidentified Russian military vessel. Additionally, the SBU noted there is intelligence indicating the likely targeting and damage of a Project 21980 Grachanok anti-sabotage boat. Beyond the naval vessels, the SBU's unmanned aerial vehicles inflicted severe damage on the onshore infrastructure supporting the Russian Black Sea Fleet. The drones successfully struck the antenna block of the Dolphin communication system, an MR-10M1 MIS-M1 radar station, and bulk fuel storage tanks at the Yug-Torsen oil depot. The SBU emphasized that this operation is part of a campaign to completely dismantle Russia's presence along the entire front line, with a specific focus on temporarily occupied Crimea. The service's warriors are degrading the combat capability of the fleet, purposefully undermining logistics, and depriving the enemy of the ability to fully use the peninsula as a military base, the SBU stated. Each strike on ships and critical infrastructure has a cumulative effect and directly impacts Russia's ability to wage war. The agency warned that the intensity and depth of SBU operations will only continue to increase until Russian forces lose all capability to operate on Ukrainian territory. The Ukrainian drone strikes in Crimea have forced the Russian Navy into a state of heightened panic far beyond the Black Sea. According to recent OSINT analysis, Russian diesel-electric submarines stationed at the Kronstadt naval base near St. Petersburg are now being outfitted with improvised anti-drone defenses.